Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. It's the end of another trading week and I'm glad to be here once again. Before I go into my trading performance of the week, I want to talk about the giveaway I've been talking about since it's funded trader markets, and like I told you, I got in partnership with them I think 2 weeks ago, and so I've been talking about them since then and the performance of their platform, which for me has been good. And so I also mentioned that a giveaway would be coming very soon, and I think there's no point holding it any longer. I was of the opinion that maybe I should delay a bit till when the market is in a good period, because I myself have been collecting back to back from the markets. I've been in Jordan for a long time, and I didn't want a situation where you would now, the winner would now get the account and just blow it off immediately. So I actually wanted to delay a bit till when the market is in a good condition, good favorable trading period before doing this. But I think there's no point holding it. It's already long overdue. It's 2 weeks due already. And also I don't just want to give the account to any random person, because if you've not been trading for a while, you don't have experience trading, you get the account, it's of no use to you, because in the end you would not learn anything. Even if you end up doing the account, you would have not learned anything. So I actually felt that it would be better if I can find someone that has a track record of trading. I know I can't verify the information that will be shared with me, but at least from how you from your message to me, I would be able to tell. From your response, I'll be able to tell if you have been trading for a while or if you're a new trader. Because I want to give the account to someone that has been trading for a period, maybe 1 or 2 years, even if it's 6 months, but don't have funds to purchase an account or is cash trapped. So that's the kind of person I want to give. I don't want to give someone that can afford $38. Yeah, because if you can afford it way more than $38, then you may not really pay attention to the account and just trade it anyhow you like. I wish I had the superpower to detect someone that cannot afford $38 for this 5K account. So I give that person the account, and it's of more value to the person, and the person has a good experience trading and can manage the account carefully. Like for myself, I started with a 5K account. I've said this many times in November, and I was able to make a total of I was able to make a total of $1,000 from that 5K account. The proof is in my past videos. So if you are new, you can quickly just go and look at my past videos and you will see my record there. So I was able to make $1,000 from that 5K account. So definitely, even though this is a 5K account, you can still make something from it. It may not be $1,000, maybe $100, maybe $200. But if you know what you are doing, if you can trade, then definitely you can still make something from it. So that's all about the giveaway. I think what you have to do is just to win is just to comment under this current video, stating just tell me about your trading experience and how long you've been trading, and why you think you should be given, why you think I should select you for this 5K account. Remember, there are two to give out, so I'll pick in two people from the comment to give this 5K account. So that's just it. Just tell me about your trading experience and how long you've been trading and why you think you are the best person to receive this 5K account. I would scroll through, I'll read through all the, thank God I don't have thousands of comments on my video yet, so I'll read through all the comments that are there, and I'll select the person live in my next video. I think that's what I should do. I'll select the person live on my next video, to win the account. And remember, you have to be subscribed to this channel, and the account, like I said, is fundedtradermarkets.com. So you may want to go and check the website and go through what they have to offer and all that. All right, so that's it for the giveaway. Now, to my own trading performance for the week. It's not been good. It's not been good for a long time. The market has, I don't think it's my own performance that's not been good. It's just the market that has not been good. to us traders. And I know that some people could be making profits this period, but I can bet you that it won't be big massive profit like we normally do when markets are trading fine and perfect. So if someone tells me that he's making profit, I won't doubt the person. But me, I'm not. That's the fact. I know this on this channel. I am very plain and transparent about all my experience trading. I'm not trying to do any fake thing to drive traffic, to drive subscribers. I'm not. I'm just being real, being honest with my trading experience. So I've not. It's been hell for me for the last. In fact, since I got my 100K account, I don't think I've had one proper profit on that 100K account. The account I want to use to buy my Benzo. Can you imagine? I've not had one proper profit, but this is what defines you as a good trader, where you can manage a difficult trading period, because you could come into the market when everything is fine, rosy, everything is moving, and then you make so much money. Then when you get towards these difficult times, you blow everything again, and that's that's not good for a trader. You can't even go anywhere with that kind of experience, that kind of performance. So you have to be able to manage the tough times. Even though my accounts are swimming in red, I'm still able to keep things sailing, take things slowly. In one of my other videos, which I will link up there, I talk about how to manage drawdowns more effectively, and I think I'll be doing a lot of those things. Then that reminds me, someone in my last video said that I should follow my rules and everything. That I keep saying I thought, but I am not following my rules. But I don't think that's the case. If you've traded for a very long time and passed through these different stages, you know that trading is more of emotional and psychological, because you can follow your rules quite alright, but trust is also very important. And I think I should have added trust to that my previous video, because if you don't trust the market, then you can't it's like gambling. Yeah, that's the best word to use. If you don't trust the market, it's like you are gambling. And I'm not gambling, and if I know that the market has not been following my strategy, if I know that the market has not been following my strategy for a longer period of time, then I won't trust it. It's as good as I'm gambling. If I take any trades, as good as I'm gambling, because in my head I know that my assurance for this trade is like less than 20% or less than 10%, and that's what gambling is. Gambling is a game of chance. Yeah, some people may view trading as gambling, but it's actually not gambling. It's just you playing your edge over the market, and once your edge is below a certain percentage, then it may as well be gambling. Yeah, so and that's the reason why, even though I'm following my rules, I'm taking it slow. I don't trust market this period, so I may see something that meets my criteria, but I still don't take it, because the market is just not doing what I expect it to do. And that's what happened in the two trades I took this week. I took a trade only on gold, and I think both of them were on gold. I think last week I said I was even going to try gold. It was the bad idea, but I think it was just the roughness of the market all around that's affecting everything. So I'll quickly go into my chart now and show you what happened very quickly. Okay, this is my gold chart. I'm on TradingView. This is my gold chart, and this is on Tuesday. On Monday, I didn't do anything across all markets. I didn't care what was going on, because, like I said, I lost trust on the market. I didn't even look. I looked at other pairs, but I just wasn't in the mood to take anything. But then I saw this trade on gold, and I took it. And it looked good because the market was already on an upward trend. It's a very clear upward trend. I think this one was from last week. This one I said I just drew this tool. I didn't take it. But I then said, okay, well, let me take it this time. It's what I'm saying about trust. Now I drew this and it went in my favor for 5 hours, even up to 7 hours. Okay, now the opportunity has played here again, very similar. We're on an uptrend and we've just come back to this resistance. You can see the whole of this support level. This resistance level broken upwards and should be support right now, and we are there now. And okay, so I got an entry, and then I took the trade, and you see, it just played around, and then I think I got out at break even here. So but I tried to take another one here because I was very of the opinion that this was going to go higher. I was of the strong opinion, and I took another one here, but then this one hit loss, and that was how I ended that day. I didn't take any other trade that day. Then moving on to Friday. On Friday, yeah, I had two opportunities that I should have taken, but again, it boils down to trust. So this is not about me not playing my strategy. I am, but sometimes I may not just trust that the market will do what I expect it to do, and this is one. You can see that the market now is on a bearish trend after I refused to continue higher there. Now it looks like it was bearish because it has broken below all of this support level, and then it has pulled back to this level to retest, and you can see it has started to move again. So this is clear market structure, which is how I trade, and the base of my profits, the base of my $1,000 that I made within the last 4 months. So everything is aligned, but it's just not working. And there's nothing you can do about it. So you see, it has broken this support level here, it has gone back to test as resistance, and then it's planning to move again. Okay, I'm ready to enter now. This is the first swing down, breaking below this support level. Then this is the retest of this support level. You can see very clear. So the market structure was clear already, and I was thinking of following it down again after coming back to this to test this. This is the support level that has been broken as resistance. The first one failed. I intentionally decided not to enter the first one because I felt like this market, I don't trust it. I may enter this first one and it continues to go higher. And then this is the second one that I now decided to get into, and this was at a very good level because the whole of this place should act as support. Sorry, should act as resistance and should bounce this pair back downwards. But then look at what happened. Even though I waited to take the trade at this level, after this signal here, this red signal, that looked like it was going to continue going down because of course the trend is downwards. But then it took me out again and went to this higher resistance level, like what's going on. And at this point, like I said, my trust level for the market is very low, and so I didn't pay attention to it anymore because this is a very strong push to the upside, and it can just break and continue going higher. And that's the reason why I wasn't interested anymore. And look at what gold did. It's crashed right from that place, and the rest you see was history. I didn't get into this trade, and then I just missed the opportunity. So I've been a very good, although I wouldn't have gotten 11 hour, sure I'd have come out at somewhere around this previous support. So that would have been like 7-8 hours. Maybe I would have come out here, I don't know, but I think this would have been my better because this was what I was targeting initially. So that's it. I took another trade on pound USD the same yesterday, Friday, and oh my god, it was just a mess. In fact, this one I was even a lot more careful. Remember my strategy, normally my stop loss is usually below the candle because I already know that the market should move from that level. But then I moved my stop loss below the whole structure. First of all, let me show you guys why I wanted to enter this trade. So I say market range has been, and this is the reason why we've not been making profit. This is March. So the whole of March has just been a giant range, and it's very difficult to make profits in times like this. Okay, so fine, we got a good break above this level after Trump's speech on Wednesday or Thursday. So we got a good break above this level. Then I'm coming back here. This is a strong. See, I still have the line there. This is a strong. So this is a strong support level that was broken. In fact, the whole of this region. And I'm coming back here. The market should respect it. And this is the first push that shows this green candle shows that okay, the market may want to respect this level. I know that it's a strong bearish candle, though maybe I should have considered that, but I was looking more at this support level here. And then on the lower time frame, you will see that 1, 2, 3 green candles had formed. This 1 hour, and remember I trade on 15 minutes. So there's already a break here on 15 minutes above this minor resistance level. Now should turn support, and then on pullback you can see there are some green candles already formed. I was a lot more careful with this trade. I just don't know what happened. I was a lot more careful with this trade, and then I expected that the market from here would just reverse and continue going to the upside, even though it may not come to these highs. But at least if I was even just looking for a 2 hour, maybe somewhere around there. That was all. And normally, if I had traded where I would normally trade, my stop loss would be below this level here, and so I can get my 4 or 5 hours. But I wasn't, just based because of how the market has been to me or to all of us, I wasn't looking for that much. I just needed to at least cover the losses that I made the week, and I know that I'm looking up to next week. But then market still went and took me out at loss, and that was how I just had to bow out and accept my two losses for the week. So that's the trade I took, and I took this trade on my funded trader market account and on my funded next account as well. So this is my funded trader markets account, and the account overview just pops up, and here immediately you can see that I have a balance of 9,686. So suffering the same drawdown I'm suffering on my other accounts here, and definitely I know that I'll be able to get out of this drawdown in no distant time. So I'll just go to metrics. So I'm in here in my account, and yeah, just like you already know, 9,686 is the balance. And here you can see my equity curve gradually going down, and I hope I'll be able to study this very soon. And now the loss is 313. That's what I've lost so far, and my maximum loss is 1,000. So it means I have lost 3 hours based on how I trade, or 3%. I think that's all the word I should use. I've lost 3% of this account, and I still have 7% to go. So obviously I'm still in a good place. Not very good though. And these are the trades I took recently. Okay, these are my trading days, and as you can see, um, fifth, I didn't take a trade on that. This is today. On fourth, I lost $95, which is the two trades I took, and this one I took on Tuesday. I lost $53. Yeah, no profit so far. Can you imagine? You owe me. Well, that's what trading is sometimes. And here you can see the trades I took. This is the last one I took, pound USD, that took me out at $46 loss. And this one gold I took as well yesterday for $7 loss. This one I took on Tuesday, $53 loss. So I've not even had any reasonable win. Can you imagine? $3, $3. What was that? So well, that's how it's been for me for the last 2 weeks. I think it got worse over the last 2 weeks, but it's just the market consolidating, and I hope to for it to get better. All right, so let me also show you my funded next account. I'm just still in drawdown across all my accounts, and you can see the 100k account is at 96,348. That should be 3% plus in drawdown, which is not too bad. But the one that is bad is actually these two accounts. These are my two funded accounts. They are really, really red, and I would find a way to just manage both of them next week, and just keep on hoping that the market would improve next week, and then I can start making profit again. But I'll try my best not to lose the accounts. Maybe it's not even up to me, but I'll try my best not to. I don't know what the strategy I would employ yet, but these two accounts have to be treated very carefully. And that's how it has been for me this week. A very, very rough week, but it's part of trading, and that's what everyone should understand. And maybe that's the reason why it's of benefit that you are following me, because the other gurus may not really show you this part of trading. They just show you the rosy side. There's money, there's money, but there is difficult times too. And you have to be able to, if you can manage difficult times, that's when you can actually be profitable trading. And that's it. That's all I have to share for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Please like, as always, share with your friends and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.